The White Town, Fort St. George, Chennai. Presented by Holidays on Shoestrings. There can perhaps be no conversation about Chennai's history without first mentioning the fort, which even today serves as the seat of power for the Tamil Nadu government. However, the importance of Fort St. George is not just restricted to the history of Chennai, but also plays an important part in the overall history of the British Raj in India. Fort St. George, or historically White Town as it was called, Georgetown being the black counterpart, is the first English fortress in India. Founded in 1639 at the coastal city of Madras, now called Chennai. The city evolved around the fortress and currently houses the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly and still houses a garrison of troops in transit to various locations at South India and the Andamans. The fort also has the distinction of being home to a number of firsts for the British in India. Among these are the Clive House, constructed in 1609, said to be the first British settlement in India. St. Mary's Church, India's first Anglican church, and the Fort Museum. The fort is maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India with the administrative support of the Indian Army. The Fort Museum, which is the only ticketed institution in the Archaeological Survey of India in the complex, contains many relics of the period of English and later British rule. This building was completed in 1795 and first housed the office of the Madras Bank. The hall upstairs was the public exchange hall and served as a place for public meetings, lottery draws, and occasional entertainment, and includes the banqueting hall, which holds paintings of the governor of the fort and other high officials of the regime. These relics are reminders of British rule in India. The objects on display in the museum are the weapons, coins, medals, uniforms, and other artifacts from England, Scotland, France, and India, dating back to the colonial period. Original letters written by Clive and Cornwallis make fascinating reading. One set of quaint period uniforms is displayed for viewing as well. However, the pièce de résistance is a large statue of Lord Cornwallis. The 14.5 feet statue stands at the entrance near a stairway in the museum. The pedestal of the statue is carved with a scene depicting Tipu Sultan's emissary handing over Tipu's two sons as hostage in lieu of a ransom he was unable to pay the British. The cannons of Tipu Sultan decorate the ramparts of the museum. The Flagstaff at the fort is one of the tallest in the country. Made of teak wood, it is 150 feet high. The fort faced many challenges and attacks from the French, from Hyder Ali, the Sultan of Mysore, and many others. In 1783, it was finally modified and several parts were reconstructed. And since then, the fort has existed in more or less the same form to the present day. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell your friends about it.